Not bad, your first start for Clare, you come away with man of the match.
Yeah, I suppose my first competitive game for Clare, and I suppose since 2013 the All-Ireland final, it's our first time beating Cork in a meaningful game, and we strive for this game since the start of the year, and we beat them now, and it's safety now, and looking forward now to the quarter final.
When you started out, I saw you hit what you probably considered yourself as a bad wide, but it didn't stop you. I mean, the nerves for a first big match like this, playing and I suppose trying to establish a spot for yourself in the team for the rest of the league, you didn't look nervous, were you?
No, not really. I suppose the way we go is if you're going well in training, they'll pick you, and I suppose I felt that my form was good, and that's down to really as well. I was with O'Malley this year, and we got to the intermediate final against Kenturk, and my hurling, I suppose, my fitness was kind of up to scratch, and I was trying to bring that then into this, and I just said, listen, never drop your head anyway, and just drive on from there, and I was happy how I went.
You mentioned that this is the first competitive fixture you've won against Cork in a number of years since that All-Ireland, and I suppose it was also thought about the fact that you lost the Munster final against them. You did owe them probably several.
Yeah, I suppose Cork have kind of got the upper hand over us the last few years, and we didn't want to let that continue, and especially now in Cusack Park, we want to make this a fortress for ourselves. Winning our home games is most important, and as I said, we didn't want to let Cork get the upper hand, so we just wanted to drive on from there.
Tá bua agat agus tá gradam agat Mikey O'Malley Laoch na hImeartha agus Cathal an seo leis an gradam a bhronna air.